What is up, everyone? We're back. It's been a while. We've been gone for a little bit. We have had no internet for the longest time, but now we're back. Well, to a certain extent. We're not back to daily videos. That would be still quite impossible. A lot of you have been very kind in the comments, telling us to relax, to have a fun time, and that's what we've been doing. But now that we have internet access, there's quite a little bit to catch up on. So I have Axe here to help me, and without any further ado, let's jump straight into the news. So, LIV, the app that allows you to record green screen videos of yourself playing mixed reality. You know, the one where you hang up a green screen and then, you know, you fire up your camera and you can sync yourself up to the game and make it look cool. There's a lot of Beat Saber videos like that. Well, LIV has now made a beta app for iOS. And using that beta app, you don't actually have to do much. It makes it so much easier to capture gameplay content in mixed reality. They tweeted out, the live.tv for iOS open beta is here. The video below was created purely with an iOS phone and a Quest 2. No PC, no green screen. I'm assuming it's using that, what is it, LiDAR? LiDAR?
It's using, I think, Face ID sensors.
It's with the back camera.
Oh, the back? Yeah, it has LiDAR. It's LiDAR.
So I'm assuming it's using LiDAR and probably AR kit. Yeah. They have AR kit, and it seems to work pretty damn well. Check this out.
Pretty good.
Like, it's perfectly watchable. It looks really good.
If it's a LiDAR, I'm assuming it's possible on the iPad Pros as well.
I assume it would be possible in the future using AR Core on our phones, because AR Core is getting better and better. It's not just there 100% yet, but it is getting better and better. So hopefully soon we will see it on Android phones as well. But for now, people with iPhones that want to record mixed reality content, it is easier than ever for you to do so. This is actually something I've already talked about. Roscosmos, the Russian Cosmos Association? Yeah, the Russian Cosmos Association.
Russian NASA, basically.
Yeah, Russian NASA have created a VR headset. We already talked about this, actually. We talked about this quite a long time ago, and for some reason it's blowing up now. But the thing is, they made the XR2, the Roscosmos XR2. It is really blowing up around the internet now. But the thing is, we've got a Russian here. So he can tell us the interesting parts on this website that Google Translate completely ruined for me. Like, for example, he told me this headset, first kind of operational system, Linux. Like, this headset, its first main OS is Linux, not Windows, not Mac OS X. It's Linux.
Yeah, so anywhere where it's mentioned on which OS it will be running, first of all, they write that it's going to be an Astra Linux SE 1.6. It's kind of specific, but yeah. And then later they write it can be also ran on Windows 10 with SteamVR. But yeah, it's just interesting that they put it as first Linux.
Yeah, it's got some pretty insane specs. So we've talked about it before. Again, they've got like a clone of the Vive tracker. The resolution is pretty damn nice, 5760 by 2880 at 90 hertz. It's a pretty damn good headset. It looks kind of weird, but from reading down, you found out that they're not actually going to be selling it to consumers, correct?
That's what I'm assuming, but the people who are behind this, it's not like the Roscosmos itself, but more like their separate division or something, or at least on their resume, it's mentioned that they're doing VR, AR, and all of that stuff for the government, business, and for consumers.
And consumers.
Yeah. So
okay,
it's three of those.
It is a pretty weird headset. There's a lot of polygons happening on it. Like, the shape is something completely unique. But it's using some form of base station tracking, so you know it's going to be at least half decent.
I'm not sure that this one is for consumers, because I read that it's for cosmonaut training or something like that.
If a consumer wants to become a cosmonaut, what are you going to tell him he can?
Yeah.
For you guys that like Microsoft Flight Simulator, that game was pretty damn intense to run in VR. I've seen people trying to fry their PCs with it. Whether anyone was successful, I'm not certain. But a new update is coming out for it very, very soon. Update 5 is to bring VR performance improvements. So there's a lot of fans of this game, a lot of joysticks you can buy for it, and it has VR support. In its latest livestream, Asobo CEO demonstrates the performance improvements on a PC with an Intel Core i7 9700K and an RTX 2060 Super. Whilst playing in 4K on ultra settings at 40% render scale, he shows the most recent update nearly doubles the frame rate from 30 FPS to 60 FPS. Now, I don't know about you guys, but free frames are always very nice. Like, if you already own the game and you don't need to pay for the update, these are some free frames. And again, I know a lot of fans of this game. You can take some pretty nice shots in it and some pretty funny videos. For any of you guys that play this in VR, you're about to get a pretty nice performance boost. So there's a lot of MMO-like games coming out for VR nowadays. and Township Tale is another one of those. The MMO-like VR game available on PC VR headsets since 2018 is making its way onto the Oculus Quest next month. So this has been long awaited. It's already been available on PC VR, but people are waiting for it to come out on Quest because it's standalone. As myself and Axe have proven throughout the last few days, you can play the Quest pretty much anywhere. Anywhere. Literally anywhere. So that is going to be making its way onto the Quest next month, which means anywhere you are, you can just whip out your Quest, connect it to mobile data, and hop into an MMO game. In anticipation of its July 15th launch, developer Alta has opened pre-orders today, which includes a few goodies like getting a chance to play before launch. So in case you guys are excited for the game, I'm sure you already know that it's on pre-order, because if you're waiting on it, you probably know that it's on pre-order. But if you pre-order the game on the Oculus Quest store starting today, priced at $10, you'll be able to hop into the game July 13th. In addition to the standard dedicated server, you'll get an exclusive outfit, tool belt, and additional 1,000 talams, for a total of 2,000 talams of its in-game currency. Now, looking at the game, it has its own little art style. It's quite cartoony looking, but there you go.
This art style looks pretty nice, and
yeah,
it works well with like Quest hardware.
Oh yeah, no, this will work perfectly on Quest hardware. It's nice and simple, won't overload it or anything, won't make it overheat on your face and burn you. It looks pretty well made, like considering this isn't even out yet. Oh yeah, here's one very exciting one for all you tech nerds out there, which includes myself. HTC has revealed its full Vive Focus 3 Teardown before the June 27th release date. Now, this is very exciting because, as many of you may know, HTC has partnered up with iFixit for the right to repair, and they've been pretty in and out with right to repair. Like they've been more in right to repair than any other VR company I've seen. They've posted parts to their VR headsets, and now they're posting full teardowns before the headset even launches, allowing you to fix things that you might want to fix yourself and not want to send the headset back to be fixed. Or maybe if it's out of warranty and you don't want to get a new one, you can replace the parts yourself if you're feeling up to it. It's very exciting to see HTC continuing on with that standard of right to repair, and hopefully more companies do that. Like, for example, I repair a lot of things. Like, you also repair a lot.
Yeah, I do repair
You
things.
like opening up your stuff and going inside and changing things, you know? Like, at my place, I remember we changed your RAM, we changed your Wi-Fi card. It's just, sometimes it's easier to change something yourself than to have someone do it for you, plus money aspect. So, were you big into Pokemon Go when it came out?
No.
Oh my god, you were not?
I literally don't.
You're not cool enough for it. I was huge into Pokemon Go when it came out. I remember there's old videos on my channel. They're so cringy. I'm not taking them down. You see the like how the channel grew over time. I'm not taking those videos down. But The Witcher is now getting its own Pokemon Go style AR game. Pokemon Go was huge. It was pretty much one of the first AR games in the real world where you had to walk around to find Pokemon. It got people to go outside the house and do something for once instead of staring at their phone screen the entire time. Unless, of course, you faked your GPS location. In that case, congratulations, you played yourself. But The Witcher is now getting something along that. And of course, with Niantic now working on that new Pikmin Go game, this is going to be quite exciting. So hunt monsters, embark on quests, and collect trophies in this location-based AR game coming later this month. So The Witcher is a pretty popular series. I'm pretty sure they got a Netflix show now, right? Yeah, they got a Netflix show now. So this is definitely looking quite interesting, and I will definitely be downloading it and checking it out. But essentially, it seems monsters just spawn around you in the real world. And imagine this with AR glasses. So you know, like they showed Pokemon Go off with the Microsoft HoloLens?
Yeah.
At the like event. Imagine this. You're just walking down the street and all of a sudden this like dragon or something just appears right in front of you. And the thing is, the Witcher dragons, the Witcher monsters, they look much more realistic than Pokemon monsters. Like, they're not cartoony. Like, this could actually scare the living hell out of you if you were wearing AR glasses.
Talking about possible AR glasses use, I think it would be cool if someone would make a game that wouldn't require you to stay completely in it, but that could engage you at any second in gameplay. Like, something when you like go on a walk.
I understand. And catch you by surprise.
Yeah.
You have to sign something, you know?
Oh, that's true.
Yeah. It's. I feel like there could be legal trouble there, to be honest with you. So now we've got Facebook AR hat patent. It's not patent, okay? People don't like it when I say patent. It's patent, okay? So it recently published, and this is not recent anymore, A recently published Facebook patent filing reveals work on an artificial reality hat. Now, we all know patents can be weird. Companies sometimes just file patents just for the meme of it. They don't even care about the actual patent, they just file it so that other companies can't use it. Which is just really stupid, but hey, it's, you know. But the thing here is, Facebook has filed something that I have, like, never seen before in my life. They straight up filed an actual artificial reality hat. Like, tell me that ain't stupid. So, the images here are first filed in 2019, so it's not really new at all. And it was originally spotted by Founders Legal. They depict a visor that attaches to the front of a cap and dangles in front of the user's eyes. But it's not just caps. Images also show the solution attached to fedoras and other headwear. And there's even drawings and concepts and use of finger tracking gloves that look like the CTRL Labs wristbands that we got to check out.
I'm not gonna lie, that looks like a toy you would get in an amusement park.
Yeah, it doesn't, I won't lie to you guys, it's kind of stupid. I don't know if people would get on this. I don't think they would. Like, what's the point of having the visor if you can have glasses? Like, just put on the goddamn glasses. Like, just put on the glasses and the hat. With the visor, you're still gonna need a battery bank. You're still gonna need to power it.
I think I know why they secret this patent.
Why?
They want to prevent people from making something this stupid.
Now, let me know what you guys think. Maybe you think this is smart. Would you wear this? Would you wear this? Would you genuinely use this in your daily life? I really don't. I wouldn't. I'm gonna be real with you. I wouldn't. I've already got my Razer smart glasses. I use those. I don't need another something. Anyway, HP Reverb G2. The HP Reverb G2, now this is also old news, but again, I'm coming in here with news from like weeks back, has been on sale in Walmart with $200 off. Why is that big news? That's big news because VR headsets don't tend to go on sale too much. Like, Walmart, pretty big chain, you know, like pretty big chain. And a lot of people are now hopping onto buying VR headsets, and with $200 off, that's a pretty big price drop. Like, how much is the HP Reverb G2? It's like $800 or something like that. That brings it right down to $600. Like, that is pretty damn nice for a headset with those kinds of specs.
Some say it's $599.
Oh.
Wait, let me check on Amazon.
Oh, if it's $599, that means it was brought right down to the price of the Quest 2.
Some say it's $749.
Yeah, so more like the $800 mark. But either way, it could be brought much closer to the price of the Quest 2, which is like the most enticing part of the headset for a lot of people.
This reminds me, it's kind of repeating history of mixed reality headsets dropping in price, so I suggest you wait a bit more, and it might go down as low as 300 or even 200 like the previous mixed reality generation. He had a mixed reality headset. Yeah. I just hope they fixed, I hope the tracking on G2 is better.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I do have actually a few videos recorded. They're not rendered because there was just no point in me rendering them because I couldn't upload them anyway. But I asked people on the Discord. I'm constantly keeping you guys updated in the community post. I'm constantly keeping you guys updated on the Discord, and I asked some people and they said upload the videos anyway. So it's like you guys just want to see the old videos. So just a little disclaimer, there are going to be old videos being uploaded to the channel. There will be a disclaimer in the description saying there are old videos, they're not new news, but people just want to hear it from me for some reason. So I'm going to upload them. And there will also be vlogs on Mysticle more. We are traveling Poland right now, and so many people are asking us exactly where we're going. So just to like cure your curiosity, I don't think this is giving away my address where I live because this is traveling. So I'm going to give you guys the exact list of cities where we are going to be. We've been in Wrocław, we're now in Poznań, we're next going to Bydgoszcz, then we're going Gdańsk, then we're going Warszawa, then Łódź, then Kraków, then Zakopane. So I don't know, I have strange suspicions. I know why people want to know my location, but now you know my location. But yeah, that is it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for joining us today. I hope you all have a fantastic day or night. And if you guys liked the video, please leave a like. If you guys disliked it, I guess this button works too. But please tell me why down in the comment section below. If you guys would like to support the channel in any way, shape, or form, we've got sick mugs down below. This isn't our mug. Okay, we've got mugs down below that boost your FPS to 300%, and it's not this mug. We've also got merch down below that also boosts. This is also not the merch. Okay, we've got merch, okay? And if you guys would like to join our community, we have a Discord down below, we have a Reddit down below, where I want to see you posting your spice memes. And if you guys want to know content coming up on the channel, then make smack that subscribe button. If you're for a day, my bell. See you next video. Peace.